Hi, welcome to tip number 17. Now this one's about getting a cheap set of drill bits to grind, especially for brass and plastic. Most of the time I work in steel and aluminium, and brass is not something that I do very often. Obviously some model engineers use brass all the time, so they'll probably have a set of drills specifically for it, but because I do it so infrequently, I got myself a cheap set of drills. And then this is my diamond stone, and you can just gently brush the stone up the edge just to take the sharp edge off the drill, and you'll find that it won't grab anywhere near so much, and it's great for plastic as well. So you've still got a sharp edge, you're just flattening off the rake angle, because with a regular drill it's obviously got a rake based on the flute, I think, on this part of the cutting edge. So what you really want to do is just dress that slightly. You only need a tiny bit along the very cutting edge, just to take the bite out of the drill, and it'll perform much more controllably in things like brass and plastic. Hope that was useful. See you on the next one.